Believers Radio. Believers Radio. Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records. In today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this crazy, amazing MIDI kit. It's a LAROI MIDI kit. Guys, this is a crazy ass MIDI. You gotta get this MIDI. So to demonstrate this, I'll be using the Nexus grand piano. But before we actually go further, guys, if you're new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. So I'm gonna go ahead and play these midis for you. So this one is kind of different. The BPMs are different. Its colors 126, deep within 88 BPM, and so on. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the BPM so I can actually play the first one for you, called Colors. But you can set the BPM to whatever you like to your choosing, whatever works. Sorry for that. I gotta change it. Just give me a minute. Alright, play for you. .88 BPM, deep within. Alright, do the same too. It's 85 BPM. Let's keep moving. Don't ask me why. 90 BPM. Alright, Enigma, 80 BPM. Let's move on. Let's talk. The same BPM. Memories, 90 BPM. PTSD, 87 BPM. The effect 80 BPM. Toxic love 85. So for that last one, you notice like I didn't change the BPM. I just wanted to show you that you can actually do this using whatever BPM that you like, any BPM of your choosing. So I'm gonna go ahead and play the guitar loop for you. Yeah, it's kind of rocky vibe going on. Shit. Play the second loop. Kind of sound like J. Cole a little bit, you know, Kid LAROI, J. Cole type of shit. It's funny. So what I'm gonna do next? I'm gonna try and make a beat with this, just to show you what you can actually do with this MIDI. So I'm gonna try and make a drum pattern with one of these MIDIs. I'm trying to figure out which one I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use. Let me see. PTSD. I'm gonna use that one. Then let's look for some drums. Let's use the Major Static Lo-Fi drum kit. Like that snare. So, you know, you gotta look for a kick that actually goes with this vibe, you know. So, I'm trying to look for a kick right now. So, I think I'm gonna use that one. So, let's make a drum pattern with this. Let's make some heat with this. Alright. Alright, let me just see this on the piano roll just to get a clear view of what's going on right now. So I'm gonna try and make the drums from here. It's more better from here. Alright. So let's finish making the drum pattern. It sounds like whatever, like Kid LAROI and Party Next Door type of. Maybe come and see me for once. I think we got something. I think we got something we can actually work with here.
Believers Radio.
So man, we're coming to the end of this video, guys. You gotta get this midikit. It's a crazy midikit. I swear you won't regret it. So man, please, guys, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please go ahead and subscribe, man. We need the support. So I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with this thing. Just enjoy the MIDI and have a good one. I'll see you the next time. Goodbye.
Believers Radio.